Normal kenyam malwe kan ideal kon de linka rice na gwasame kan online TV channel to kon kalar mi be kon linka jan gwasame alar balin gwasame karitin kon lat ko de re which ka juba chala do thiaaŋ ko war cha pot kaaŋ kwar petroleum ka SPLM IO pin Dr. Macha ten chaja yen chaja wo wa dore jen chaja yen kuma kirma yadit jen dana gorno bana nyakel ke jen gwasame ngai kono no te to ngwalong de chigo to lat ko re wi ki juba bana update me bana jelin kel ko do bana na chi to taw chi ko to ko ja ko bana do bana shi to ba ko Dr. Macha ba re do araba bana jelin ka jalara me bana jelin ga thoknath ko kore be je kwen ya ka to English mi jiram jidit kanor online TV channel gorje no jende je nyongana asum ko ken kawra inshallah gwasa me inshallah do pot kaaŋ chaje yen re wich ka juba yen kirma yadit kel kene senior official re kuma ka maraike Dr. Machaten ala kuma SPLM IO cha kwardit cha ga yen kule la thiaaŋ ko re inshallah la pot kaaŋ chaje yen chaje o kare doara ka war chaje yen ne to la national security NSS ki national security tin to pinkir ma yadit chikan pot kaaŋ kana wa doara chala do chaje yen shala do yan ka je ka kwi ko shi jeshan bor ki wayami chikan South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF shikan na jochere which kan asar South Sudan People Defense Force ta joche wi yara diu ci jejen bor ca kem ke dordeni baraka dan tegaten ko korunde co walkel ci jeje bor ci de kap ka South Sudan People Defense Force namo ca loy kuma kirmi yadit kan deni ka ci lo de jaga jajek ci kan gorno bi kan netin kontin lan Nuer tin weekend ngano bomre Nuer be kan kayen anyok ni thiaaŋ ka jen shang ko ngwan ka pai diok ron kin dangro jen dangro wi de dich chwa dor Dr. Machar dor keliu chwa je golpin edini tijel ka dibabne ka din de to ka din kirma yadit wa ken jel ken gamedi dilong malat ke long wasam lat ke jeno kirmi yadit janni gor jeno bene dial kon tin bum kere kuma ka SPLM IO kan dial baga yen law ko SPLM IO party ko je dismantle ke yareja betan mishala SPLM IO ajen do budan teten ne ti ngwan lat ken no dong te gri de tuok ka Dr. Machar ten kan ne ti kokino kon chayen re kumaka gwada me man tore wich ka juba mi chalo ra changa ja gwa ko ne dial kon yan ka awasare sandan lat ko tani yan ka dorken kan ten kon wa yen ne tin kon tin la dini ka bil pam chalat gwa no ne me security issue me security threat re South Sudan kelio mi be korm dit be jenno ko do badanen shi kirmi yadit che mi shirka me che jalat ka jeno yena ne de kontin roika SPLM IO ko ko cha nasar cha je yon match ki cha ne ken tin re ki nasar cha ka dak dor ka cha jure kem ngoman tin la dine SSPDF ka cha helicopter kel cha je ne ka ne de kontin la jejen bor ki wayame ne me che kum so Sudan che ka che loidien che je ka manan chora lat gwazame kaman chalat ka kwi Riek Machar security tighten around Machar's residence on 4th March 2025 the South Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM IO has expressed alarm over the heavy deployment of South Sudan People Defense Forces around the residence of first by President Dr. Riek Machar, a central figure in the country's fragile peace agreement. The 2018 revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, signed by President Salva Kiir and Dr. Machar, has faced mounting challenges. particularly in unifying army group to form a national army. President Kiir led the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement (SPLM), while Dr. Machar led the SPLM IO, the main opposition group. The increased security measures around Dr. Machar resident at J1 come in the wake of the arrest of Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam, a high-ranking official who served as the co-chair of the Joint Defense Board (JDB), Deputy Chief of Defense Force of the SSPDF, and the acting Chief of Staff of the SPLM IO. According to SPLM IO spokesperson Paul Maidang, General Lam was detained on Tuesday morning by General Paul Nang, Chief of Defense Forces of the SSPDF. The SPLM IO spokesperson has condemned the arrest as a violation of the revitalized agreement, warning that it undermined the Joint Defense Board, a critical body tasked with overseeing the command and control of all forces under the peace agreement. The SPLM IO official has called for General Lam's immediate release and urged all parties to de-escalate tension, particularly in the light of recent violence in Nasser County, Upper Nile State. Edmund Yakani, Executive Director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, confirmed that government force, including the elite Tiger Division, have surrounded Dr. Machar resident, blocking all entrance. Yakani described the situation as a deeply troubling, noting that it has sparked a public panic and risked derailing the fragile peace process. Several eyewitnesses have confirmed that a noticeable increase in the number of security forces deployed around the residence of Vice President Dr. Machar in the Amrat neighborhood. As SPDF spokesperson Major General Lurey Kong could not immediately be reached for comment. A senior official speaking on condition of anonymity identified the detained SPLMI officers as General Gabriel Doblam, General Wesley Walebe, and two others. The arrests are reportedly linked to army confrontation between the SSPDF and the White Army in Nasser County. The development came a day after the presidency convened a high-level meeting to address escalation tension and insecurity in Nasser, Western Equatorial State, and Western Barghazal. And the meeting included key figures such as First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, Vice President for the Economic Cluster Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, Vice President for the Service Cluster Josephine Lagu, and leader of various political parties. Machalat gwad menchaling wa ne diala kon yan ka kaspele mayo yan ka kariga dan chitu kam jijen bor kene kum SSPDF re which ka Nasser ka do badan en jaga juire wikaje ngoda kwai kamnan bor lat anyok ne diala Tiger Division la deni SSPDF diala wachi ko dor Riek Machar la chiken golpen kwai kamnan bor lat nim dong mitem chor laden walle ka shanka dish ka pai diok ka me ronkin dangro jan dangro dish bayne no update den mitem chor laden biata kamal bye bye.